All right, we are recording now. Colin,
Yes,
stop doing whatever weird thing you're doing.
I just keep saying farts and butts over and over again.
Yeah, I know.
Funny.
It is hilarious. Sandy did say farts and butts last night. Literally, farts and butts, and laughed hard enough that he was had to get a tissue afterwards because stuff's coming out of his face because he's crying, laughing. It was a lot. Okay, so today we're talking about reconciling. We're gonna do this for 2 days, so we'll do it also on Tuesday when you get back. Reconcile. Does anybody know? Okay, so it's when you compare your records to the bank's records. There are times where your records are not going to match the bank's. Why would that be? If they made a mistake. Possible, yeah? If you made a mistake. There's also a possibility that you and the bank didn't make a mistake, but something hasn't happened yet, which is why you guys don't match. Anybody know? We talked about this yesterday a little bit. Yeah, Sawyer.
When you write a check, if I wrote a check to Tyler and he waited 2 months to cash it.
Right. Then you know that you have less money than you should have, but the bank still thinks you have that money, right? Because technically it's in your account right now. Anybody remember what that was called? Stealing. Starts with an out. Did we say this yesterday? Outstanding?
No.
Okay, everybody write on the bottom of your sheet. This is called an outstanding check. This is a check you've written. That hasn't been cashed yet. Which means the bank doesn't know about it. I mean, technically, the bank's not wrong. Sometimes you write a check to somebody and they never cash it. But you also don't want to write another check or spend that money and not have that money in your account and then overdraft, which is going to be a problem. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to compare your bank register to the bank statement that you get. A bank statement usually comes to your house once a month. Most people ask for these digitally, online, rather than actually having a physical statement mailed to your house, but you could do that as well. So what we're going to do here is we're going to compare these months. So which one is which, by the way? Which one is you and which one is the bank, do you think?
The U is the register on the bottom, the bank.
Okay.
Is the digital one.
So everybody write U next to this one, and we'll write bank towards the top one. This is the bank statement up here. This is what they think is going on in your account, and you are on the bottom. Okay, do you guys remember what it means if there are parentheses around something?
Oh, is that like
Money.
That's money we're taking out. So this is going to be they're subtracting all these money and they're putting in that one. So I'm going to write a plus next to that one just so you remember they're adding in that and subtracting the others. All right. Where can I find what the bank currently thinks you have?
Online banking app.
No, on this sheet of paper. Sawyer.
All the way to the right on the bottom.
So this one, this is what the bank thinks. The bank thinks that you've got $415.09. And how much do we think we have? $399.99. All right. So the statement ending balance, I'm using colors right now because I'm going to color the bottom too. If you want to use colors like me, you can. Otherwise, you can just put a star by it or something. The statement ending balance is this orange one. That's from the bank. Okay? So the bank thinks that you have $415.09 in your account. I'm going to write bank by this one. And the check register balance, that's you. You think you've got $399.99 in your bank account. So now what we're going to have to do you remember me telling you yesterday that this little column here with the check marks, that's for when you're reconciling, when you're seeing if things match? So now what we're going to do is we're going to go through this and compare the two and see why they're different, okay? And the easiest way to do this is to start checking things off. So first of all, the opening balance at the beginning of this pay period, the bank thinks that you had $244.24 in your account. Do you see how we agreed?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to put a check mark by us. I'm going to put a check mark by the bank. We agree there. And then on my check register, it says that I thought there was a deposit of $312. Does the bank agree?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to put a check mark by them. See how they also say that we've got $556.24 here? And I'm going to put a check mark over here by this deposit so I know I've got that one. I'm good there. All right, next one it looks like the bank has is they've got a check $684 for 18 bucks. And I've got that, not $684, check number 684 for $18. So I can see that that's on mine too. So I'm going to put a check mark there. It looks like after they subtracted $18, they agree with me that it's $538.24. How are we doing so far? Are you guys okay with this? You getting confused? Anybody need me to slow down a little? Okay. All right. Now it looks like the next thing is that I've got a phone bill. I don't have a check number by it, which means I probably used my debit card. Debit card is a way to take money out of your checking account. So I probably used my debit card for this. $80.40. Looks like the next one on their list is also $80.40, and it says debit purchase, which makes sense.